moments later.
Hey Angga,
Hey Ali, long time no see. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine too.
Oh, by the way, introduce my friend. He is Sandy. Hello Angga, nice to meet you.
Hi, yeah, nice to meet you too, Sandy.
Well, we are walking around.
Cool. Let's hang out sometime.
Where's you Angga?
You both.